This is the house in Stuart, Florida that you've been waiting for. Before I show you the house, I have to show you this $150,000 brand new pool. I bet this is the most heavily customized pool that you've ever seen in a residential property. Welcome to your personal water park. Here you have a shallow end for new swimmers and pets. Hop on over to your splash pad. Then right here you have your sun shelf, plus an 8-person hot tub. And in the pool area, there's wraparound seating and multiple waterfalls for maximum relaxation. I love the newly renovated interior of this home. From the quartz countertops, all the soft close cabinetry. I love the two-tone island, of course stainless steel appliances, and overlooking your awesome pool. In addition to all the amazing features that you just saw, this house also has a brand new roof, impact windows, and there's no HOA, so make sure you bring all of your toys. You're probably not going to believe this, but you can get all of this for under $650,000. Call me for your private showing.